when you are out looking at homes with your realtor, the seller may actually be watching you. Many homes have security cameras set up inside of them, and some sellers watch every single showing that happens while their house is on the market. I'm going to give you the same advice that Bob and I give to our buyer clients when we're showing them homes. Assume that you're being watched and that everything you say is being heard. Everything you say is being heard, and everything you do is being watched. Remember that. Make sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next week.